They're gonna eat fancy feast. That's cat food. It's chicken feast. Chicken feast classic.
Back out.
You can't back out. It's on camera.
They're gonna eat that.
This is just the first can. No, you can't have anything to drink. Why are you being late?
Alright, turn around.
Everyone check this out. Anything up front is going to be known as the puke zone as the night progresses, because I'm going to make someone puke tonight. That's my goal. Oh, it smells bad. It's on my hand. Alright, I guess we'll count it down. And the first one to eat it
Eat it all?
will win.
The whole cup?
The whole thing, dude. We don't play games. You don't have to recover. When do you play?
That is good.
What band are you in?
You don't play it, son.
Alright, if I can get a countdown here.
2 hours.
3, 2, 1, go! Don't be scared. Eat it right now! You got a minute. Oh, puke it up, brother. Yeah! Come on. Look at smell it first.
One bite wins.
Come on, dude. Yeah! Come on, eat it. Yeah! Yeah! Get that on camera. Oh, come on. Come on. Eat the food. Come on. Come on, who wants to finish his can?
Whoever eats the most wins, right?
Whoever can eat it all. Anybody? Puking. Don't make this a fail, He's gonna win. Oh, he's shaking everything. I came to Jasonville for this. Come on. Yeah! This is the game today. This is just the first game. Reminding everyone, we have more giveaways tonight. Come on, you're not even trying. Tap out, Mr. Tough Guy. Got the animation on. You're not doing nothing. You're just sitting there. Stupid cat food. It's cat food. Oh, there's little kids around. I have to escort you away. I think just for winning, I think he's gonna win. Don't puke on the amps and stuff. That's expensive.
The mastermind behind all
Just
this.
chicken. Here, let me see.
Ivan.
You guys are girls. Look, it's cat food.
That is.
Okay, you're gonna win for just doing it. The other dude, boo him. Where'd he go? Boo him. Point at him. You suck. You want a free shirt now? That's all you get. It's not money or anything. It's just... Now you got that, and go pick out a shirt. That was lame. I thought I'd have participants. I thought you guys were like cool. That is pretty gross. Stuck in my teeth. So next is I forget who it is. Oddly. So, you guys having fun? Don't forget, there's merch everywhere around me. It's hot right now. I'm sweating. I'm upset about it. What's up? You want to play a game too?
Don't read him anything, he will puke everywhere.
That's great. So, do we count that as a puke? Is that on the puke tally?
He ate a chunk of it. I know he did.
Alright, so far tonight, today, I have one puke already, so it's going to be a good night. Don't forget, come check out the Marakfest shirts that I'm wearing. We gotta pay some bands and stuff. So if you don't buy one, you're late. That's all I got right now. And then I'll sing a song. Dude, you almost stepped in puke. Yeah, you. Look at it. That's disgusting. Alright, guys. I'll be up here later to do stupid stuff. Audio's next. Don't eat anything else today because the next game involves not puking. I need some girls to play that game. So. And do better than the tap out guy because he's awful. So. Everyone's gonna make fun of you the rest of the night. That's okay. He's cool about it. I'm cool about it. So. What else do I need? What info do I need to give out right now? That's it. Check out merch and buy stuff.